Today we're going to be making some blueberry pancakes with sausage. Now these are not your average blueberry pancakes, so you definitely want to stick around to the end to see how they come out, because when you see these pancakes, you're going to know these are not your average blueberry pancakes. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Chef John cooks, baby.
Ooh, what you know about me? You don't know nothing about this flavor.
Let me show you something real quick.
Stepping out the car, shoes clean, no crease. Every move I make got 'em staring like sheesh. Cologne so smooth, got the room in a trance. Every eye locked in when I start to dance. I ain't cocky, I'm confident, difference is clear. I don't chase no crowd, they just follow me here. Gold cufflinks, silk on the sleeve. I'm the type to make 'em smile when I breathe. You can talk that talk, but can you move like me? You can wear that suit, but it won't groove like me. Got rhythm in my walk, cool in my veins. I'm a class on my own. Remember the name, what you know about me? What you know about me? Smooth as a beat, cool as a breeze. Dripping that style, yeah, naturally. What you know about me? Come on, what you know about me? Yeah, you can feel that heat when I step on the scene. Too clean, too mean, you know what I mean. Walking through the crowd like I own the air. Everybody whisper, who that over there? She said, you remind me of Marvin, a Prince. I said, baby, once I start, you won't make it past the intro rip. Keep it classy with a twist of flame. A lean day, yeah, that's my game. Don't need no chain, my clothes on me. I'm the real deal, naturally. But it won't sound the same. You can rock that hat, but you can't wear this name. Swagger in my step, rhythm in my smile. You gon' feel this groove for a while. What you know about me? What you know about me? Ooh, smooth as a beat, cool as a breeze. Drippin' that style, yeah, naturally. What you know about me? What you know about me? Yeah, you can feel that heat when I step on the scene. Too clean, too mean, you know what I mean.
Now wait a minute.
You thought I was playing? Girl, I was born on the downbeat, raised on the groove. Got a little old school, so new school move. I don't need no auto-tune, just a little reverb and a fine glass of confidence. You heard
Points it, ba 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 ba.
ladies say, what you know about me? Fellas say, too much, too smooth, too free. Ladies say, what you know about me? Fellas say, I say, groove, baby, wait and see. What you know about me? Yeah. What you know about me? Smooth as a beat, cool as a breeze. Dripping that style, yeah, naturally. What you know about me? Say what? What you know about me? You can feel that heat when I step on the scene. Too clean, too mean, you know what I mean. still assume. So I just wanna be still happy birthday.